Hi, everyone. Today, we'll show you how to use the new automatic tree species identification feature in the forestry module of the model software. This feature quickly checks imagery to identify the tree type and gives a confidence level. It helps forest surveyors sort all the trees faster and makes the study of forest resources much easier. Before using this feature, you need to finish the following basic forestry steps for your project. First, go to the forestry module and click Extract Ground Point. Next, go to Segment by Tree and Crown Analysis. Under Property Calculation, measure the canopy size and projection area. In Storage Capacity, enter the stand area and the sample plot area to calculate the total wood volume. Click Automatic Identification under the Species Identification section. After uploading your video, the system will automatically spot the different tree types and give you a confidence level. For tree species with low confidence, click Edit and manually change the tree's name based on the imagery. This fixes any wrong identification. In the Project File panel on the left, edit the tree species in the directory. Click Report to see a full list of information for every tree. You can also filter this report so it only shows the trees that meet specific rules you set. That's all for automatic tree species identification. We hope this makes your forest surveys quicker and more precise. See you next time.